Well, today signifies a pretty significant day. Signifies significant day. I'm really excited, but I'm really tired. What I had before was a tilt dump bed, and well, this isn't a dump truck. I wanted the tilt, so when I'm at a car show, and this will all be covered with aluminum, like that. So you won't be able to see it. So I wanted the bed to tip backwards, so it would reveal the suspension and the whatnots. Because it is kind of cool. It's a single leaf spring, and it's not all done yet here. And I got my new 4-link, new rear end, dualies tucked underneath there. It's pretty badass. So the hard thing to accomplish on this bed is, well, you can see the tolerances are really close, and everything's got to clear when it tips back, and it can't just tip back. It has to go up and then back at an angle, and so a lot of geometry, a lot of engineering, and I finished this sucker today, and I'm pretty happy. So let me demonstrate. How about that? Now, it does go a little bit further, but it goes past the point of gravity return. It kind of, I have to put a motor on here to boost it over the top. That's about all I'm going to go right now. Okay. I know some of you probably don't agree, but I don't care. And this was the tough part, is making it come back down and fit.